How small do you think that is?
I don't like answering that question, actually.
You, Jake.
I don't. You know, it's just kind of like, who needs to know, you know?
I do.
Making sure it was put on the right way. So it'd be my luck you fucking crank it the wrong way. Holy fuck, bud. Sweating ball sacks. Sweating balls and dicks. Fucking stupid bitch. I fuck your mother. Your grandmother, she better all that crazy. Oh. Holy shit. We finally won, boys. That's not even from Brandon.
No, no.
It's from Orange Prince.
It makes me think of Brandon.
Ow.
Three hours later.
Okay, done. Put your serpentine belt on now. Ah! That sucked ass.
I kept it.
What?
Thank you. I thought I was crazy.
Is there a different belt?
That was with the belt.
What?
What? What?
What the ass fuck? Is there one that goes like right here? No? That still wouldn't be enough. And then here. And then what the fuck? It's not like you got a fucking supercharger for it to fucking bolt onto. Like, what the fucking fuck? Guys, maybe it's just time to quit for the night, but like, neither of us understand what the fuck is going on here, okay?
What?
So, you got the crankshaft, then you got your tensioner pulley, then you got your alternator pulley, then you got your water pump, I'm guessing. And there's a whole other fucking, like, it doesn't go there. There's only one fucking pulley for that. Like, what the fuck? I don't think we're missing anything. Yeah, there's no pulley on that. Dude, this has got to be a different belt.
That was the belt that was over there with the belt. I don't see any other fucking belt in this garage.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Shit doesn't usually get me like this. This one's getting me right now.
72 hours later.
We didn't touch the alternator. What the f?
I know. Mind blowing, right?
Okay, we're just fucking retarded apparently. I'm pretty sure I tried that though. Okay, grab the, what, 14, 15? I'm pretty sure we tried that. Like, for retards working on cars, they sure make it not retard proof. Oh no, they make it retard proof, sorry. Oh my god. Do I gotta help you do every job, Mason?
You were confused too.
Yeah, but still, I still just did it. Okay, never mind. Retard problem solved. All right, guys, so we basically got it all back together. This time it fought us every step of the way for some reason. When we replaced the engine last time, nothing really fought us. It came apart smooth, went back together smooth, and this time it was just relentless. All 20 of these lug nuts were basically seized on. So that's sweet, but I got them all replaced without getting stuck on any of them. Broke a couple tools in the process, gotta love it. So yeah, I mean, here it is. It's all put back together. He just did an oil change on it, so he's filling it up now. We're leaving the hood off for the moment. We have no coolant in here yet. We're just gonna fire it up, make sure it fires up without any check engine lights. Make sure we didn't miss anything.
It's probably gonna have a check engine light.
Well,
Other than the
okay, he says
O2
it's
sensors. I always get.
You always get the O2 sensor. Okay, so apparently he gets O2 sensor check engine lights.
But
But what we're gonna do before we fire it up is we're gonna clear all the codes, and that way if any pop on, aside from the O2 sensor, we know exactly what it is. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get it ready, get it back on the ground, and make sure the transmission works properly. He can reverse a little bit, go forward a little bit, and then we'll button everything back up as long as we're all good, and take it for a test drive. So all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and fire it up, see what happens. I cleared all the codes, so
sounds better. Everyone, headphones. Headphone check.
we're gonna run out of gas. We're like empty.
Yeah.
It says 1 mile to empty. All right, y'all, so we're back. We basically got the car done. It's running real nice and clean. We got the cooling system all burped, getting hot air all the way across the vents. It's maintaining good temperature. The fans are kicking on. We've got a good fluid level. So yeah, we're basically done. All that's really left at this point is to put the hood back on and go take it for a test drive. So let's get to it. So we have now officially replaced the engine and the transmission. I think the only thing left driveline wise is like the driveline or the rear diff. Did it. Hell yeah, brother. I do not want to work on this car again. Sell the bitch.
Kind of planning.
Oh. All right.
in it for now.
All right, so yeah. If you guys have any questions or anything like that when it retains to, or sorry, that retains to anything we just did, or even an engine swap. And when I say engine swap, I mean V6 for V6, not V6 for the 5 or the 5.0 or anything like that. Nothing crazy. Yeah, just leave it down in the comments below. I'll be as helpful as I possibly can. You know, it's crazy what you can achieve when you set your mind to it. Or have a retarded friend like him, as he says. Holy shit, you're dirty. So yeah, I don't know. It's moments like this that I find pride in what I do. Granted, yeah, I broke a couple clips, lost a few connectors, lost a couple bolts, but the car still runs and drives perfectly fine, and that's all minor stuff. And I'm not perfect by any means, but I can achieve some decent things. I can rebuild Subarus, apparently replace shit in Fords. I imagine the V8s are nowhere, aren't anywhere more difficult.
Yeah, that's my car's the only Ford I've worked on.
Your car is kind of the only Ford I've worked on, at least in this sense. Like I had my Ford 6.0 turbo diesel, but that's a completely different animal. That's, no, not the same as this. In that 6.0, there was no room whatsoever. If you wanted to get to one thing, you took off 20 things. This is not even in the same ballpark. So, yeah, I don't know. We're gonna go do a little bit of running around. Just got some gas, so keep you guys updated if anything goes wrong. But if you don't see anything else after this, just know that it's running and driving perfectly fine. So
No news is good news.
exactly, no news is good news. So thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos, go ahead and check them out. Rebuilding Subarus, building a workbench, just random stuff like that. I just kind of, whatever I feel is good to record, I record and post it. Content is content, so let me know what you want to see more of, and I'll do my best to make it happen. Because this channel is about catering to the viewers, unlike other YouTube channels or Facebook Reels or whatever. I'll get on Facebook soon. Anyways, I'm ranting and raving, whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.